Good morning, my all dear class 11th student. As in this new video of accounts, we will discuss the chapter account for non-trading organization. So before discussing anything, let me tell you that what is the meaning of non-profit organization. As the name says it all, not for profit or non-profit organizations will be those organizations which don't do their business for making profits. There are certain organizations which are formed not to earn profit but to render services to its members and to the public. Such organizations include clubs, hospitals, libraries, schools, religious institutions, charitable institutions, literary societies, etc. Means these organizations don't work for making profit but they work for rendering services to the society. These non-profit seeking entities exist with a primary motive of providing services. Their primary motive is to provide services, such as a club provides service, sports and recreational facilities, hospital renders medical services, literary society promotes art and culture, association may be formed to protect the rights of the members, religious institutions helps society. Okay, so though the main source of income of such organizations is membership subscription, donation, grants, etc., they may also undertake trading activity in order to earn some profit. Such profit is also used for the fulfillment of the goals of the organization. As the main aim of the organization is not to earn profit, they do not prepare trading and profit and loss account. Here comes the accounting term. These firms don't do their business for making profit. That is why they will not prepare profit and loss account as well as trading account. So what will they prepare? They have to maintain some record. They prepare receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and then balance sheet. Three accounts they prepare: receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and then balance sheet. So now let me tell you that features or characteristics of non-profit organization. Main aim is service. Such organizations don't do their business to make profit, as I have already told. They do their business or their services are for the welfare of the society. They aim in service, not in profit form. These organizations are set up as charitable trusts or societies. Subscribers to these organizations are called members. They usually not form themselves as company and anything else. They register themselves as charitable trust or societies. Then separate entity. Not-profit organizations are treated as a separate entity distinct from its members. In either word, it is not affected by admission of new member and death or insolvency of the existing partner. Easy. Managed by elected members. Some members will be elected and they will be the whole soul in charge of that organization, and they will run the organization. They will manage it will be managed by the elected members. Okay. Major source of income. Their major source of income is subscription, donation, financial assistance from government, income from investment, etc. Okay. There will be some surplus accounts, forms of accounts. So these are their earning possibilities and etc. In form of account, I have told you that they will prepare receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and then balance sheet. Now I will just give you the difference between non-profit organization and profit-making organization. Primary motive: non-profit organization primary motive is to render services. The profit earning organizations or business firms main motive is to earn profit. Capital versus capital fund. In non-profit organization, here is the capital fund. Because they do not maintain any capital account, interest they maintain capital fund account. Okay, but in business firm there will be a capital account. Financial statement, they prepare receipt payment account, income expenditure account and balance sheet, but they prepare manufacturing account, trading, profit and loss and balance sheet. Surplus or profit, as they don't make profit and loss account, so non-profit organization will not get profit, they will get surplus. But in business firm they earn profit, so it will be profit or loss. Surplus or deficiency is not distributed among the partners, it is adjusted to capital fund, but it will be transferred among the business partners. Okay, so this is it for this video. In the next video we will do the financial statement, or how we can prepare the balance sheet and all of this chapter. Till then, bye bye students, keep working, keep practicing account, and if you find any doubt or any difficulties, you can ask.